Not just a predator, but a survivor of generations. Something ancient has made this place its lair.
Where prey comes to die. Something watches. Something waits. One vanishes. No warning. No scream. Just gone.
Invisible to the eye, but not to heat. Beneath still water, the jungle's most... This is no myth, no legend. This is the Amazon's true apex predator.
From the skies, the forest seems endless. But
where the forest ends, something older begins. Carved by men, claimed by nature, now ruled by silence.